Today we're going to talk about the preposition beside. Learn how to use the preposition beside. Beside means by the side of, as in walk beside me, or in comparison with, as in potential complications are minor beside the benefits. Here are some examples. I parked my car beside the grocery store. My friend stood beside me at the yogurt machine and we chose our favorite flavors. The most tempting treats can be found beside the checkout counters. The fruits are usually beside the vegetables in the produce aisles. Do you like to park your car right beside the store? Learn and study English with MC Consult ESL.